I'm Judy Stoke-Ingram, and I'm the Executive Director with Career Transitions. And we're very thrilled to be partnering with Local 725 Ironworkers to put on this program. This is the third year that we've done this program. Anywhere between 15 to 18 kids involved each year. And we are preparing these kids for a career in the trades. Ideally as a career as an iron worker, but certainly in the trades. So this is a unique program in that kids, it's not really a dual credit program, but kids can earn credits, they can gain skills related to the ironworking trade, other trades, they can get a bunch of safety tickets, and really importantly, they learn a lot about what it's like to work on a crew. So this is more of, they're trainees more so than students. And as a result, they get a pretty good introduction of what they're going to be in for when they move into employment. So this is a program, as I said, we've been doing it for 3 years. We're looking for opportunities to continue. Ironworkers Local 725 is very committed because we've sent them some amazing kids, and we certainly hope to continue to do so.